Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tsholo and I'm here to present about my project, which is the automated ref alarm system. The automated ref alarm system is a room system that keeps the room safe via the high temperatures, the intruders, and the smoke leakages in a room. So this is my flow chart, and then this is the initialization of the program, whereby I included the libraries and stuff, and then this is the setup where I determine the inputs, which are the PIR, the ultrasonic sensor, the DHT11, and then the smoke sensor, and then the outputs are buzzer, fan, LCD, and LEDs, and a servo. So after the step of setup, the other step that follows is the check input state, where I will be checking the results of the ultrasonic sensor, the DH11 and the PIR and stuff. So the ultrasonic sensor, if the range if the range of someone who's approaching the door is less than 35 centimeters, the ultrasonic sensor will not detect anything, and then the door will not open. But then if the range of someone who's approaching the door is greater than 35 centimeters, the ultrasonic sensor will detect, and then it will trigger the servo motor which will open the door. And then the next sensor is the DHT11. The DHT11 is used to measure the temperatures in a room. So if the temperatures are less than 25 or less than 26 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will be off, and then the fan will also be off. But then if the temperatures are greater than 25 or 26 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will be triggered, and then the fan will also turn on automatically. So the next sensor is the PIR sensor, which will detect the motion, any motion that will be happening outside. So if there's any movement outside, the buzzer will turn on, but then if there is no movement, the buzzer will be off. So the PIR sensor, I added it because it will be used at night for the intruders. And then all the information that is coming from the sensors will be displayed on the LCD. And then this is my detailed and final block diagram of the project. As you can see, this is the Arduino Uno that I've used, and then this is the inputs, and then these ones are the outputs. The inputs are the ultrasonic sensor, the smoke sensor, the PIR, the DHT11, and the 5-volt supply from the PC. And then on the output side is the buzzer, the LCD display, the LEDs, the fan, which will also be supplied externally, so with a 12-volt supply, and then the servo. The ones that you see here are the ones that I added myself here on the block diagram. And then this is my second diagram. As you can see, there is a servo motor, the ultrasonic sensor, the LCD, the buzzer, and then the fan, which is supplied externally, so the DHT11, and then the PIR, the breadboard, and the Arduino Uno. Then I will be coming on my second part of the project, where then I will be explaining my second part of the project, where I will be demonstrating the final part of my project. As you can see, here are the connections of the project. This is the servo motor, the smoke sensor, and then here is a buzzer, and then this is a relay that is used to trigger the fan whenever there are high temperatures. And then these are the LEDs. The green LED is used if the circuit is working well, and then you will see by it lighting up. And then this red LED is used when there is smoke detected. And then this is the LCD display that will display all the results Here is the LCD that will display all the results, and then here is the ultrasonic sensor that will measure the range of someone who's approaching, and then it will open the door. I will show you. And then here is the PIR that will detect any movement that is happening. So here, so the circuit is on. As you can see, hello everyone, the automated alarm system. The temperatures are below 25 or below. As you can see, if there's any movement, that is happening, if there's any movement that is happening, or if there's any movement that is happening on the ultrasonic sensor, then the door will open automatically. So, and then it will be printed on the LCD that the door is open, and then the movement on the PIR will trigger the buzzer, and then I will be doing the smoke for the smoke sensor. And then the smoke for the smoke sensor, that will light up the red LED, and then it will also be displayed on the LCD. And then the other sensor that I will be testing is the DHT11 with if there are high temperatures, and the fan will automatically turn on. So I'm testing it now. So as you can see, the fan has turned on, and the temperatures are 27.10 degrees Celsius. Thank you.